How to dominate local SEO step by step with quick tips. Here is the process that we follow for each new client. Step 1: Research. First, we conduct thorough research on your brand, your competitors, and your market. We get to know all about your competitors, their strategy, and their presence on social media. Step 2: Keyword research. We do extensive keyword research on the most relevant keywords in your industry. Our team of SEO experts makes sure that the keywords we choose are highly relevant and easy to rank for. Step 3: Content optimization. We conduct keyword analysis for your page content and optimize the content accordingly. We make sure that you have all the relevant keywords in your content. Step 4: Local optimization. We optimize your business listing details on every local search engine so that you get maximum visibility. Step 5: Social media optimization. We optimize your social media presence to give you maximum visibility. We create a content plan for your social media pages and make them look presentable. Step 6: Technical SEO. We optimize your website for search engines and make sure that you are on the top of the SERPs. Step 7: Analytics. We track your website traffic and analyze the performance of your content to make sure that you are getting the maximum visibility. Step 8: Monitoring. We track your website performance on a regular basis and make sure that you are getting the ranking you deserve. Benefits of local SEO? Local search engine optimization has started to become more and more popular. The benefits of local SEO are growing as digital marketing and search marketing continue to expand. People are now using search engines more often to find local businesses. That means that the businesses that are successful with local SEO are also doing well in the world of digital marketing. The benefits of local SEO include more traffic, more customers, more revenue, more online visibility, more brand authority, more sales, more profits, more social media presence, more referrals. Local SEO optimization. The process of optimizing a website for local search engine optimization is not that different from optimizing a website for a national search engine. However, there are some differences. Local SEO optimization is a highly specialized process that requires a thorough understanding of how local search engine algorithms work. Local SEO optimization is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. Every area and every neighborhood has its own unique search engine algorithms. A business can't just optimize for the average neighborhood. It is important to optimize for a specific neighborhood. The website. The first step in local SEO optimization is to optimize the website. Website design and structure are more important than ever when it comes to local search engine optimization. When a user types in a search query in a search engine such as Google, Google wants to know exactly which businesses the user is looking for in a specific neighborhood. If Google doesn't have enough data to determine that, the website won't rank very high in the search results. The easiest way to determine the businesses that are most relevant to a user's search query is to look at the website. If a business has a mobile-friendly, responsive website, the search engine will know. Which business needs local SEO most? In 2009, the U.S. Federal Trade Commission issued a staff report stating that Google's search algorithm reduces the visibility of small businesses on the local search results. The FTC also recognized the fact that there are many local business directories on the internet, and that consumers can utilize those directories to find local businesses. This staff report has been advocated by many small business owners, and it is not unlikely that the FTC will continue to pursue Google over its local search practices. In early 2007, Google made changes to its algorithm and ended up penalizing many small businesses. This led to a class action lawsuit, which Google settled for $6 million. Local SEO practices can be applied to small businesses of all types and sizes, including restaurants, spas, boutiques, and hair salons. In a local search, there are several factors that influence the result of a search query. The most important factors for local search results are the location of a business, the review history from previous customers, and the website's online reputation and reviews. The location of a business is one of the most important factors in local search rankings. This concept is called location-based relevancy, which means local search results are more likely to show businesses that are closer to the searcher. Since local search results are focused on a specific area, businesses that are located in an area will be more likely to show up in the results than businesses that are outside of that area. For example, if a user is searching for a nearby restaurant, then a restaurant that is located in the same area will have a higher chance of appearing in local search results than restaurants that are further away. One way to increase location-based relevancy is to have a physical address in the local search area. In the past, Google had a different algorithm for local search that would determine the proximity of a business, but that has since been removed. Businesses that do not have a physical address in a local search area can still benefit from local SEO strategies, but the business will not have as many local search results. The review history of a business is another important factor in local search results. Reviews from previous customers are an indication that a business has been established for a long period of time. Reviews are signals that a business is known and established in an area, and they are also signals to other users that the business is reputable. Reviews are especially important for local search results because they can be viewed by the searcher before deciding to visit a business. Reviews can be searched for in local search engines and directories, and a business that has a positive reputation will have more local search results. Bonus. There are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.